In this video, I'll show you how to add a product in Shopify. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and click Products from the left-hand menu. On the Products page, click Add Product to create a new product listing for your store. Next, enter your product title and write a clear description that explains what you're selling. Upload high-quality product images so customers can easily view the item. If your product has different sizes, colors, or styles, you'll be able to add those as variants in the next step. After that, enter the product price and, if needed, add a compare at price to display a discount. Configure the inventory settings by entering the SKU, barcode, and available quantity if you're tracking stock. Then create your product variants and assign the correct price, inventory, and options to each one. Now, scroll down and select the appropriate product category, add tags, and assign the product to any collections where you want it to appear. Review the sales channels to make sure the product will be available on your online store and any other channels you've enabled. Finally, click Save to publish your product. Visit your storefront to confirm that the product page displays correctly, including the images, pricing, variants, and description. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add a product in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.